Welcome back, folks, to another exciting episode. Today we're diving into the world of electric bikes with a closer look at the A1F e-bike by DYU. This sleek, lightweight, and foldable ride has been generating quite the buzz lately. But does it live up to the hype? Join us as we explore every nook and cranny of this innovative e-bike. From its compact design to its impressive performance, we're leaving no stone unturned. And of course, we'll address the burning question on everyone's mind. Is it worth your hard-earned cash? So, if you're in the market for a new ride or just curious about the latest in electric transportation, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we uncover the truth about the A1F e-bike. But first, don't forget to check out the link in the description below for direct access to the product page. Let's roll. Now, unpacking and setup, well, that was pretty easy. It doesn't require any special tools. It only took a couple of minutes. It took a little bit longer just getting all of the foam and zip ties off from all of the parts than it did to actually assemble it. About 99% of the assembly is already done for you. All I really needed to do was to install the handlebars and the pedals. It doesn't require any special tools or equipment, and the tools that you do need they send with the e-bike. So I really appreciate that, because nothing's a little bit more frustrating or can be more frustrating than if you buy a new product or you're excited about something and you go to put it together and you have to go buy some special tools. Once you've got the handlebars installed and the pedals on, before you take it for a ride, there's a couple things that you do need to do. The first thing you're going to want to do is to adjust the height of the handlebars. There's a quick release here that makes that super simple to do. So it's very accommodating for all different size riders, as well as adjust the height of the seat to accommodate yourself as well. You're also going to need to put some air in the tires, or at least to check the tire pressure, because that's going to be important, and you're going to need to charge the battery. Now, to go from 0 to a full charge, it takes about 4 hours. Mine did have a charge in it already. It took about 2 hours for me to top the battery off before I took it out for my first ride. To start the motor, you have a button that's located on the right-hand side of the handlebars. And there is a small interface located right above the button which shows the battery status. Now on the left side, you have the headlight option. You can turn on your front headlight with this simple button, and then there is a light in the back. Now this is not a brake light. It's simply a safety light. The light that's located in the back is connected to the front headlight. The lithium-ion battery is located within the bike frame, so it's not something you're going to be able to change out. And then it has a 250-watt brushless DC motor that's located in the hub of the rear wheel. That gives you plenty of power to be able to get you around to the places you want to go. So speaking of that, you're going to be able to go up to 15.5 miles an hour on this bike. That's what it's rated for, and, I think I got that. Obviously, some of that's going to be dependent upon the type of road or surfaces that you're riding on. I think the size of the rider might play a bit of a role in that as well. Just as a frame of reference, I weigh about 160 pounds. I'm about 5.7, and this bike is super accommodating for me. Now, DYU does not recommend that anyone under the age of 16 ride this bike. So it is made for adults. So in spite of the size being so compact and portable, it is made for adults, and it does an absolutely terrific job of getting me around town. So I have a lot of fun on this little e-bike by DYU. As far as weight capacity goes, it will accommodate riders up to 165 pounds. Now, in terms of how long you're going to be able to ride this bike, you can go for right around 19 miles if you're using just the throttle alone. So if you're not assisting at all with the pedals, but you can double that if you're using pedal assist to get up right around 37 miles that you can travel on this e-bike. And I think that's pretty accurate. When I was buzzing around town here, I did feel like I was getting up to speed right around that 15.5 miles an hour. But again, I think some of that depends on where you're riding. 250 watts is a lot of power. Plenty of power for a bike this size, especially for a commuter bike. This bike does have an IP54 rating, so it's not waterproof. But if you splash a little here or there, you should be fine with that. It does fold up really easily. It only weighs 46 pounds. So this, as I mentioned earlier, is pretty lightweight. Okay, so to fold it up, super simple to do, and it's so small, and you can pretty much pack it away anywhere. In the trunk of your car, you can put it in your dorm room, in your bedroom, in your house, in your garage, wherever. It's not going to take up a lot of space. I usually like to start by just flipping the kickstand up that's located on the back side of the bicycle. Now you can lower the handlebars if you like, but you don't have to. You can omit that step to lower the handlebars. And you can just lower this down to the ground. It has a safety latch here. So let's flip that up. And then all we have to do is just unlatch it. Now I do like to lower the seat down as well, but you can leave the seat up a little ways if you want to use that as a handle and you can see how it lowers down. I'm going to leave it just about there to give me a little bit of something to hang on to. And from there, all we got to do is fold it in half. It's super simple, and then that is it. Now you can store this away. As you can see, it's pretty compact, and you can put it back together easily. Again, it only takes a second to get ready for your next ride. So all in all, it offers so many more advantages. I love the fact that it has a seat to make your commute that much more comfortable. It has dual disc brakes on front and back and 250 watts brushless motor, which gives you a plenty of power for your daily riding. Plus, it's pretty lightweight and compact than other e-bikes in the market. And probably best of all, it has pedals. So if you happen to run out of battery life, you're not stranded. You can get your way home. Is it worth the money that they're asking for? I think so. Absolutely. Now this retails for $549 US, but right now they're running a sale so you can pick it up for $399 US. I think that is a bargain. And for anybody that's looking for a commuter vehicle that wants something that's super affordable, it's lightweight, doesn't take up any room, and offers a great alternative to a scooter, I think the A1F is a no-brainer. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.